Hi, today I'm going to show you how to set up SFML 2.0 with Visual Studio's 2008. The only assumptions I'm making are that you have an SVN client like Tortoise SVN and that you have Visual Studio's 2008, specifically with C++. What we're going to do is we're going to go to the SFML website, click on the wiki, tutorials, and then this one here, and what we want is this link here, so we copy the link. Then we're going to go make a new folder for it. And we're going to check out that repository. So we click checkout, and then we put the URL in right there, and we click OK. This will take a little bit of time. The repository is about 120 megabytes. So we'll let that go. Okay, it's almost done here. Press OK. Now what we're going to do is we're going to compile the library. To do that, we need to go into the folder to build and Visual Studio 2008. Open the solution. This part's real easy. We're going to have to compile it twice. We want the static libraries so that we don't have to include any dills with anything that we compile. Compiling it twice, once for release and once for debug. When we do this, we should or probably should get 2 errors at the end for both builds. Don't worry about them. They're harmless. They're just talking about Qt widgets and another windowing system that most likely isn't present. We're not going to worry about it though, because we're not going to be writing anything like that. And here we get those same 2 errors again, WX and QWidget. Now we're good for now. May as well close that. We're going to open it again soon though. Now in this folder we go back to the front, or actually back to the trunk folder, sorry, and now we have our include and our lib folders. We want to put these in our C drive, SML2. If you don't have the folders, you need to make them. Include goes here exactly like it is in here. So it has the SFML folder in it and then all the header files. For build, or for lib, sorry, it's a little bit different because here it comes with this Visual Studios folder. We don't really need that, we just need these files here. So in our lib folder, that's what we do. We just put them right there. Once that's done, we're going to need to set up Visual Studios to use the libraries. So with Visual Studio open, go to Tools, Options, Projects and Solutions, and then Visual C++ Directories. This is just like adding any other library. Switch this to Include Files, add a new line here. You can browse to the include folder that you made. Do the same with library files. New folder, browse to the library file. Once that's done, you're good to go. If you're making a project, it's recommended to make a Win32 console project. I'm going to open one of the quick demo ones they have here. As you can see, I pragma commented the libraries. This is only good if you are only planning on building a debug version, because see this -d here, that means debug. If you're building a release version, you need to get rid of the -d. Best way probably to do this would be to go to your project properties, open up your linker properties. For debug, fill this out like normal. So you would have sfml-main-d.lib and sfml-system and so on. And then once you have all those in there, you can switch this over to like release, for example, save your changes, and put the same thing in here, except it'll be sfml main.lib and sml system s.lib. That's it, and you keep going like that there. It's nice because with the static libraries, we don't need to include any SFML dills anyway, so you can just distribute the executable and it should run. That's it for now. I'll talk to you guys later.